Aloe vera. The name conjures images of soothing burns and healing cuts, but there's so much more to this remarkable plant than meets the eye. This succulent with its fleshy leaves and miraculous gel has been a staple in medicine cabinets for centuries. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, revered it for its healing properties. But aloe vera is more than just a home remedy. It's a versatile plant with a multitude of uses that extend far beyond the confines of traditional medicine. It's a potential cash crop, a green gold mine waiting to be tapped. Farmers around the world are beginning to recognize the economic potential of cultivating aloe vera. The global demand for aloe vera is skyrocketing. As people become more aware of the benefits of natural products, the market for aloe vera continues to expand. Natural health products, cosmetics, and even food industries are clamoring for this versatile plant. From skincare creams to health drinks, aloe vera is making its mark in various sectors. Consumers, increasingly health-conscious, are seeking natural alternatives. They are turning away from synthetic products and looking for ingredients that are both effective and safe. Aloe vera, with its proven benefits, perfectly fits the bill. Its gel is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a sought-after ingredient in many products. Imagine fields of vibrant green stretching as far as the eye can see, rows of plump aloe leaves reaching for the sun, each one brimming with potential. This could be your farm, your piece of the burgeoning aloe vera market. With the right approach, you can turn a simple plant into a thriving business. With the right knowledge and a bit of dedication, you can grow more than just plants. You can grow your future. Aloe vera farming is not just about cultivation. It's about nurturing a sustainable and profitable venture. Let's delve into the world of aloe vera farming. We'll explore the techniques and strategies that can help you succeed in this growing industry. We'll explore the steps involved, from choosing the right variety to harvesting your first crop. Each stage of the process is crucial to ensuring the highest quality yield. Get ready to unearth the secrets of this ancient plant and discover the modern possibilities it holds. From its historical significance to its contemporary applications, aloe vera is a plant that bridges the past and the future. Join us as we uncover the science behind aloe vera's healing properties and its potential to revolutionize industries. Whether you're a farmer, a business owner, or simply a curious consumer, there's something to learn and gain from this incredible plant. So let's embark on this journey together and see how aloe vera can transform not just our health but also our livelihoods. The future of aloe vera is bright, and its potential is limitless. Aloe vera thrives on sunshine. It craves the warmth, soaking up those golden rays to produce its precious gel. Think deserts and dry climates. That's where aloe feels most at home. Well-drained soil is crucial. Aloe vera hates soggy roots. Sandy loam soil, light and airy, is perfect. It allows excess water to drain away, keeping those roots happy and healthy. Before you plant, check your soil's pH. Aloe vera prefers slightly acidic to neutral conditions, around 6.0 to 7.0. Don't worry if your soil isn't perfect. A simple soil test can guide you on amendments to create the ideal environment for your aloe vera to flourish. Remember, a happy aloe plant is a productive one. By providing the right conditions, you set the stage for a bountiful harvest and a thriving aloe vera farm. Now that you understand aloe's preferences, let's prepare the land. Begin by clearing the field. Remove any existing vegetation or debris. This ensures your aloe plants won't face competition for resources. Next, plow or till the land. This breaks up the soil, improving drainage and aeration. Aloe vera needs room for its roots to spread and explore. A depth of 12 to 15 inches is ideal. Once tilled, it's time to level the field. This ensures uniform water distribution and prevents waterlogging in low-lying areas. You can use a rake or a leveling board to achieve an even surface. Remember, preparation is key. This is your aloe vera's new home, and you want to make it as welcoming as possible. With the land prepped, you've laid the foundation for a successful aloe vera venture. Now let's choose the right variety for your farm. Section 4. Choosing Champion's High-Yielding Aloe Varieties. In this section, we will explore the different types of aloe vera plants that can significantly boost your farm's productivity and profitability. Not all aloe vera plants are created equal. Each variety has its own unique characteristics and benefits that can make a big difference in your farming outcomes. Some varieties are prized for their high gel content, which is essential for producing high-quality aloe vera products. The gel is the most valuable part of the plant, used in a wide range of health and beauty products. while others boast disease resistance. Disease-resistant varieties can save you time and money by reducing the need for chemical treatments and increasing the overall health of your plants. Choosing the right one is crucial for maximizing your farm's yield and profitability. The right variety can lead to a more bountiful harvest and higher quality products, which in turn can increase your market value. ALOE barbadensis. Miller, also known as aloe vera, is the most popular variety for commercial cultivation. This variety is favored by many farmers due to its high gel content and versatility in various products. It boasts high gel content and is known for its medicinal properties. The gel from ALOE barbadensis Miller is used in everything from skincare products to dietary supplements, making it a highly sought-after variety. Another champion is ALOE arborescens, known for its rapid growth and resilience. This variety is particularly hardy and can thrive in less than ideal conditions, making it a great choice for farmers who face challenging growing environments. It's an excellent choice for beginners. ALOE arborescens is forgiving and can tolerate a range of conditions, making it easier for new farmers to achieve success. Consider your climate and soil type when selecting a variety. Different aloe vera plants have different needs, and choosing a variety that is well suited to your local conditions can make a big difference in your success. Some aloe varieties thrive in hotter climates where they can take advantage of the abundant sunlight and warm temperatures to grow quickly and produce high-quality gel, while others tolerate cooler temperatures. If you live in a region with cooler weather, look for varieties that are known to do well in those conditions to ensure your plants stay healthy and productive. Research local nurseries or agricultural extension offices for expert advice on the best options for your region. These experts can provide valuable insights and recommendations based on your specific location and growing conditions. Choosing the right variety is like selecting the strongest seedling. It's an important decision that can have a lasting impact on your farm's success. It's an investment in your farm's future success. By selecting the best high-yielding aloe varieties, you are setting yourself up for a prosperous and sustainable farming operation. Section 5, From Pup to Plant, Propagating Your Aloe Vera. Aloe vera, known for its soothing gel, is not only a staple in many households but also a resilient and easy-to-propagate plant. Today we will guide you through the process of turning those tiny aloe vera pups into flourishing plants. Aloe vera plants are masters of multiplication, readily producing pups or baby plants around their base. These pups are essentially clones of the parent plant, making propagation a straightforward and rewarding process. These pups are clones of the parent plant, ensuring genetic consistency in your crop. This means that the beneficial properties of the parent plant are passed down to the pups, maintaining the quality of your aloe vera. Carefully separate the pups from the mother plant using a sharp, clean knife. It's important to be gentle during this process to avoid damaging the delicate roots of the pups. A clean cut will help the pup heal faster and reduce the risk of infection. Ensure each pup has its own root system. A well-developed root system is crucial for the pup's survival and growth. Without roots, the pup will struggle to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Allow the pups to dry for a day or two, allowing the cut surfaces to callus over. This step is essential as it helps to prevent rot and fungal diseases, which can be detrimental to young plants. This prevents rot and fungal diseases. The callusing process creates a protective barrier over the cut surface, reducing the risk of infection when the pup is planted. Plant the pups in well-drained soil, burying the base just below the surface. Aloe vera thrives in sandy or cactus soil mixes that provide excellent drainage. Proper soil conditions are key to preventing root rot and ensuring healthy growth. Space them about 2 to 3 feet apart to allow for growth. Adequate spacing ensures that each plant has enough room to expand and access sunlight, water, and nutrients without competition. Water them lightly, taking care not to overwater. Aloe vera is a succulent and stores water in its leaves, so it doesn't require frequent watering. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is a common issue with succulents. Within a few weeks, your pups will establish themselves and begin their journey to becoming mature aloe vera plants. During this period, monitor the soil moisture and ensure the pups are getting enough light. Remember, patience is a virtue in farming. Aloe vera plants grow slowly, but with consistent care, they will thrive. Regularly check for signs of stress or disease and address any issues promptly. With time and care, your small pups will transform into thriving aloe vera plants, ready to yield their precious gel. This gel can be used for a variety of purposes, from soothing burns to moisturizing skin. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the many benefits of your homegrown aloe vera.